This is almost done. This is a 3D printed foot massager. We're about 76% done. Printing it on the Saval SV06. And this same foot massager is for sale on Target's website on sale for $20. Normally $35. It's not identical, but it's good enough. This works well. But the one that I'm 3D printing right now only cost me $5.84. Huge shout out and thanks to Uncle Jesse. And you can find him here on printables.com. Just go to printables.com, search for Uncle Jesse, and then find the foot massager. He's provided this free for download, which I think is totally awesome. Really, really cool. Thank you for doing that, Uncle Jesse. So if you ran out of things to 3D print lately, make one of these. Who can't use a good foot massage? See y'all. Have a good one.